Hello and welcome to Crave Nerds. In today's Photoshop tutorial, we'll be sharing with you how you can create a pencil effect using Photoshop. So we want to start off by duplicating our original layer and then heading over to Image, Adjustments and select Desaturate. Once again, we're going to duplicate our layer, which is a desaturated layer. Then we're going to head over to Image, Adjustments and select Invert. We're then going to change the blend mode to become color dodge. We're then going to head over to filter and select other, minimum. And then from here we can apply, this is where it will apply our pencil effect. So we're just going to change the preserve to be roundness. And then from here we can just keep bringing up the radius until we're happy with the effect. So I would probably go with something around the 12.3 mark. This looks quite good, but it will vary from photo to photo. Select OK, and if you slightly zoom out, you can see that it's created a really nice pencil effect that you can recreate and apply to almost any photo. Thanks for watching and stay tuned to Crave Nerds for further quick tips on how to use Photoshop.